Hi guys, Ushin Hoy here, bringing you another tutorial on WooCommerce today. So I see on this site here, my CD will be €10. Oh, well, I'm going to add that to the cart. And I'm going to look at my shipping options here, which I have set up. So I've set it up to be $2.50 for each product. So it's €5 at the moment. If I bring it down to 1, update my cart, it's €3, but it should be $2.50. Why is this? So this is causing me issues. So what I have found is if I go back to my WooCommerce settings, if I go to WooCommerce and I go to settings, I will see that I have the number of decimals set to 0. I need to set it to 2. Save those changes, go back to my cart, and there they are, $2.50. Quick solve, there you go. Hope that helps you guys. See you next time.